Good morning, guys. You are seeing me for the first time in my sleeping clothes. I just woke up. Today's the day of the grill. We're gonna be grilling a whole lamb, and we've never done this before. And you're gonna journey with us. You're gonna do it with us. So I'm up to prepare the stuffing for the belly of the lamb. Let me show you what I have. So this is the bread that I'm going to pour some red wine on. So that's going to be in the belly of the lamb. And also I have some carrots and some onions. I'm also going to be making a sauce, like a coating for the outside of the lamb, on the outside. And yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you the garlic. Look at the garlic. The whole thing of garlic.
Sack Sand, fertig. Und die normale Feuerstelle ein bisschen frischen Sand drin. Und dann ruft den Sand, ruft man das Feuer machen. Und dann hängt man sich abschließen. What's that?
I would laugh about that. Just because it can't fit from one
I
hand.
don't want the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the
I
truth.
do. You really think I lied about that? Privy to that information, what I don't think that you should do is harp on it.
Mommy, you would have a lot of work.
So that's why we're early.
Is it only me or is this thing getting black?
What thing? It's the pepper.
Up.
Meat look good here, sir, huh?
Mm. Mm.
We have to come inside. You sure that look at something the way you set up the other one?
Jo. Wait for it. Put it down the way. And we need to make it fire.
Hi guys, so good morning again. We finally got the lamb. As you can see behind me, we finally got it on the spit and over the fire, and it has started. I think we started about 10 o'clock. And yeah, I'm excited. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I was a little bit scared, to be honest, because we've never done this before. We saw it when we went on holiday in Greece, and we decided we have to replicate it. And it was delicious when we had it, so we hope that this will also be delicious. We have more charcoal, we have the sauce, the olive oil, garlic, and thing to coat it each time it gets dry. But it's looking good. I'm really proud. We did a good job, eh, Hannah? Great. So we'll catch up with you later throughout the day. Bye.
goed staan.
Ja, dat is goed. Harriet gaat er gelijk bij.
Look who is here. Hi. They have arrived. We have arrived. And look what I got. Let me go for my drop. I'll start eating my drops. Me love drops, you know. Me never used to love drops. You know one? I don't know what. The bottle is there.
I know we should have put our swimsuit under it to close.
Everyone go a bush. Lamb update. So I got the camera and the lamb is almost done. Stuffing that I put inside fell out. So but I think the herbs were already in the meat because we've been grilling now for 3 hours, so that's great. But it looks good. It looks great. And the inside fell out, look. So it's in the fire and it's making a very nice aroma anyway, so we're happy about that. Alright, so our guests are here. Rita, Danelle, Sharon, Harriet, Jackie, Stefan, 2 random men, the lamb. Sorry, that's my fault.
It's too close, it's running.
Harriet, it's not hot? It's not hot?
No, one side is not hot, but
should I turn this
too
one?
Close. The fire is too close.
Should we put
Should
we take it out
and then
put it in that
inside
one?
will not get things.
From the Kenyan
food,
yes?
Yes.
And Anita is complaining that she doesn't want to be called Sister Anita, so we'll say Anita, Lulu.
No, Lulu, she can be called sister. I think she likes
It's okay for her to go on the... Okay?
Of course, yeah.
Okay.
Here's my
Bella.
daughter Isabella.
And Yupi? Guys, go follow Rachel's channel. Rachel, what's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Rachel Yuri. You can click and just see my photo like the way I look here.
Yeah.
And then please subscribe, watch my videos, comment on them and like them.
And
give
share
me a
your
thumbs up
content.
and share everything I do.
Yeah, she's sharing her experience in Europe, her lifestyle
Yeah.
and stuff. She's from Kenya. And that's
And another
Sharon.
Kenyan.
She's also Kenyan.
Hi.
Okay. And here's Sasson and Shania. We're enjoying on towels and having a real barbecue right on the lake. My people, make some noise. Oh my god, it's so nice. Are you guys going to swim? No? Too cold? Oh, I didn't say where everybody's from. Oh yeah, Rita is from Ethiopia.
Hey, you can make with
Carmen is from Uganda.
And David,
And David,
where are you from?
I am half from Germany and half from Ethiopia.
Yes, David is half.
Where you born?
50-50.
50-50. Yeah.
Welcome, ladies.
Welcome. Okay, we sing together. You have to look the camera.
Yes.
Welcome, ladies, le Daniel. Welcome, ladies, le Daniel. Welcome, ladies, welcome, ladies. Welcome, ladies, le Daniel. Welcome,
Thank you. In Swahili, how do you say happy birthday?
You don't really have a word, but we just say siku ya kuzaliwa njema. It's very long. So yeah. So
Okay.
siku ya kuzaliwa njema. So siku ya kuzaliwa means the day of your birth. Like if you translate it, is the day of your birth. And njema is happy or good, yeah? Yeah, so we always say happy birthday, but if you translate happy birthday, that's
what
it
it
in
means.
Swahili.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Carmen is from Uganda. Do you have something special in Uganda? Like, I mean, when you say happy birthday?
Not really, because everyone says happy birthday and you sing the happy birthday song, although we speak our local languages.
Okay,
Yeah.
even with the local language, you sing English happy birthday.
Yeah,
Shade.
I know.
Okay,
Nkwanim tewelej.
that's happy birthday in a...
Happy birthday, it is welcome, ladies. But Nkwanim tewelej, it means it is good that you're born. We say in addition.
And with what language?
Amharic.
Oh, Amharic. I know,
Ethiopian.
I'm asking for them.
Okay.
Over here. I forgot to ask you guys, can you say happy birthday in your local language?
Ọjọ́dún ayọ̀ fún Daniel. Ọjọ́dún ayọ̀ fún Daniel. Ọjọ́dún ayọ̀ fún Daniel. Hip hip hip.
Hooray! Which language is that?
Yoruba.
Yoruba. Yes, and as you guys may remember, Pascaline from the Ghanaian Sharing Food Culture episode, and she's from Ghana. And Rachel, you saw Rachel earlier, she's from Kenya. Where are you from?
Kenya.
Frau haben wir das Seitenschneider.